Got a little path back here. There's that cement thing in there. And back here, there's an actual fence, chain link fence, right there. Kind of see the white part there, that's the fence. So there's actually a fence, so that's cool. Yeah, looks a lot more impressive from this angle. I cut all this back. There's that cement thing I found in there. There's another trail through there. So I'm going to cut this way and then back to that. So there'll be another trail going back here. You can see how tall this stuff is. I mean, it's 20 feet tall. Pretty crazy. But this is what I did